Welcome to this tutorial. How to create Gmail account. Open Chrome on your computer. At the top right, click on Gmail. Click on the Create Account link, and you will see two options here. Here, we are selecting the first option for myself. In the text field boxes, write your first name, last name, and username as you want to create. If the username is already taken by someone else, then the username text box will turn into red color with a message. This means you have to re-enter a new name to create a Gmail account. Like, we have used here a new username demo.adambaldwin, which is not used by anyone, so it is available. Write your password and confirm it, then click on Next. Now, enter your phone number, and click on the Next button. You will a verification code on your phone number, which you have to enter here, and click on the Verify button. Enter your date of birth and gender, and don't be worried, your personal information is private and secured with Google. Now, click on the Next button. If you want to use your phone number for other Google's features, you can click on the Yes, I'm in button, but we are clicking here on the Skip Text link. Read the privacy and terms carefully. At the bottom, click on the I agree button. Congratulations! Your new Gmail account has been successfully created. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to us.